It's time to build our first project in Unity. For this project, we're going to make a primitive model of our solar system. While the resulting project is not technically a game, this project will showcase the basic workflow in making games and get you familiar with the Unity editor while building your game development knowledge and skills. You will apply the knowledge and skills that you gain in this project to all future projects. The concepts we'll learn include creating game objects, understanding 3D space, including vectors and transformations, creating and modifying materials, attaching behaviors to make your game objects move and react to the player, and the basics of lighting your 3D environments. We'll also discuss how to add audio to your games, how to work with cameras, and how to build and test your games, as well as how to save and prepare your project for submission as an assignment. You can view these lesson videos as a tutorial. During the lessons, do what works best for you to learn. You can follow along with the video as I go, or you can watch a bit of the video, then pause it, try to reproduce what I did, and then continue. Or you can watch the entire video, then reproduce what I did, and rewatch any parts of the video that you have trouble with. Or of course, you could do some combination of the above. Once again, do what works best for you. I will be covering many concepts and practical skills as we go. Try to not just replicate what I'm doing, but really try to understand why I'm doing it. Learn the process, the terminology, and the concepts. That way, you will truly build your knowledge and skills as a result of doing the project, not just have rote learning. And lastly, in addition to watching the videos, also make sure to read the assignment. You will need to use both the videos and the assignment write-up to complete the project. I encourage you to read the assignment now before we dive into the videos if you've not done so already. Then read it again at the end of the videos to make sure you finish up the project correctly. Okay, let's get started with the project.